Hi everybody, this is my son Noah.
Hi.
He just turned 12. Today we're going to review putting on his braces. To start with, we're going to use these cheek stretchers. These hold your mouth open so that we can keep everything dry while we're working. Open big. And just keep your cheeks kind of, just tuck your lips into these. Perfect. Next step is for us to paint on primer. This seals the teeth so that we can bond to them. The next step is for us to use a bright light, which causes the primer to set up. The final step is to cure the brackets with the bright light, which causes them to bond to the teeth. So we use these little blue dots on the back molars. Those are called buildups, and that props the bite open. Bite down, Noah. And stops them from hitting the braces. It's a little funny at first, but kids will get used to it quite quickly. After the braces are glued on, we place the wire between the braces. The wire is actually what moves the teeth. We use these little colors as decorations, which are a lot of the fun of braces. Until next time, bye.